Good morning, everyone. I am Narmatha, Assistant Professor working in Department of Cybersecurity in Dr. S.N.S. Lakshmi College of Arts and Science. So, in today's lecture, we are going to discuss about Diffie Hellman key exchange. So, this is one of the algorithm to perform a public key encryption. So, let's see that in elaborate manner. So, it is a type of a public key technique. Here it uses two parties of keys for conversion, like a public key and a private key. So here, public secret sharing is enabled. Shared secret is derived from private secrets and publicly shared information. So first public key type scheme is proposed by Diffie and Hellman in 1976, along with the concept of exposition of a public key concept. Now known that Williamson secretly proposed the concept in 1970. So it is a practical method for public key exchange of a secret key, like a pre-key. So it is used in a number of commercial products. A public key distribution scheme, it cannot be used to exchange an arbitrary message. Rather, it can establish a common key known only to two participants. So the value of key is depend on the participants who are all using. So it is based on a public and a private key. So derivation of shared secret key is based on exponentiation in a finite field. So it may be easy or hard. So secretly relates the difficulty of working backward to get secrets by computing discrete logarithms. So it is hard. So how we are setting up a Diffie-Hellman algorithm. So all users agree on global parameters like prime numbers or a polynomial Q, A, which is a primitive root mod Q. Each user generates their key, choose a secret key like XA less than Q, computes their public key YA equals A power XA mod Q. So each user make public key, that key YA. So say session key for users A, B is KAB. Here we are using KAB is equals A power XA into XB mod Q. Y A power XB mod Q, which B can compute, and Y B power XA mod Q, which A can compute. Each principal has the other public key and their own secret along with A and Q. So here we have two people's, Alice and Bob. So Bob agree on A and Q. Here both of them uses both a same public and private keys. If they use YB means we have to use A power XB mod Q, and YA means they have to use A XA mod Q. So here we have used that computation, and both Alice and Bob have KAB is equals A power XA into XB mod Q. That means they both will have public key and private key of both of them. So here KAB is used as session key and private key encryption scheme between Alice and Bob. So Alice and Bob subsequently communicate. They will have the same key as before unless they choose new public key. So attacker needs a private key, must solve discrete long base modulo of Q to get it. So the example of a Diffie-Hellman algorithm is given here. Uses Alice and Bob who wish to swap keys. A prime numbers Q is equals 353 and A equal 3. So we have to select a random secret key like XA is equals 97. B it chooses XB is equals 233. So by that we have to apply these numbers in the equations. By applying it, YA we get 40 and YB we get 248. And the computation chart session key for Alice is 160 and the Bob is 160. Same, they'll get a same. shared session key. Thank you. So from this, you'll understand about the concept of Diffie Hellman algorithm. Now it is working. Thank you.